This might be the cheesiest lasagna I have ever made. Wait till you see this. Hey y'all, today I'm going to make my homemade go-to lasagna, super cheesy and perfect for dinner. I will be using ground beef. I also will be using ground sausage, and this is my first time ever using ground sausage in my homemade lasagna. So hopefully this goes well. So this is all the ingredients you're gonna need. I got some mozzarella cheese. I should have got more. I failed on that part, but that's okay. We're gonna make the best of it. I got some pepperoni. I got some oven ready lasagna. I got some ricotta cheese. I got some tomatoes. It's my first time like adding extra tomatoes in it. I got some meat sauce. I got all my stuff from Walmart, so it's great value. So as the meat is simmering, I'm gonna get into this ricotta cheese. And I used to just get my recipe off of Google. I did have a recipe in my cookbook, but I didn't have time to pull it out. So of course we do ricotta cheese. We're gonna do an egg. We're also gonna add some mozzarella cheese, and some seasonings, and mainly parsley. And this is going to be sort of the glue to make the lasagna stay together.
Get you right.
So now we're going to layer our lasagna. We're going to do the meat first, then we're going to add the noodles, and then we'll do the ricotta cheese, and then we'll do some more mozzarella cheese on top of that, then the pepperoni.
Good nigga.
It's actually 6-3. Am I even up a chain back? Hey, look. Don't. I'm gonna order me some Pandora earrings. They could be $1 million. What are you doing? Landing my booty. Can you see me in the camera? Oh, they can see me. She got that $5 lasagna meat. Home grandma. They're like pizza slices. They're like yummy.
Yeah, I did my thing with this one. I'm not gonna even lie. I give this a 10 out of 10. Be honest, would you try this?